What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. So are you looking for a side income where you can make some good extra money or even a full-time income? Well, I have one for you today. Stay tuned. Now, I'm proof that the side hustle works because I've done it for a while and made some good money at it. Yes, there is going to be an upfront investment involved. This is not easy money. This is not a quick flip. This is an actual ongoing side hustle that you can do that's going to make you money for years to come. All right, so what are we talking about here? Event photo booth rentals. So I'm going to tell you how it works and how much you can make. So the way I got into this is my daughter was having a birthday party and the idea was floated, why don't we rent a photo booth? So I made a few calls to different rental companies and they were charging anywhere from $150 to $200 an hour. Yes, $150 to $200 per hour, not per event, not per 4-hour block, per hour. To rent it for the length of the party, it would have cost $600 to $800. Personally, I think that's crazy. So I said, you know what? I can do it myself. I'll just buy the photo booth and do it myself. Went online trying to find a used one for sale and found out why they rent for so much. These things are expensive to purchase. Anywhere from $3,500 to 10 grand because they all do different things. There's even one that's just like a mirror. Everything's inside of that mirror. All the buttons come out of that mirror. It's crazy. That one's about 10 G's. But I didn't need all that. I just wanted a simple photo booth, and the real cheap, inexpensive, basic one, $3,500. Didn't want to spend $3,500 for one-time use. I decided to make my own. I ended up spending about $800 to $1,000, right in that range. And that included the camera, the monitors, the software, the laptop, the casing, the backdrop, the printer, and all the other miscellaneous stuff I needed for the project. So it worked perfectly, the hit of the party. After the party was done, for a few weeks, even a month, the photo booth was just sitting there collecting dust. So I said, you know what? Let me at least try to get my money back for the money I spent on making this photo booth. So I went on OfferUp, Marketplace, and Craigslist and put it out there. Photo booth rental, $150 an hour. So over the next few months, I was averaging one job per weekend at $150 an hour. That's the crazy part. Not having any experience doing this, averaging 4 hours per job, and after expenses, which were about $25 an hour, and that $25, I'm including ink, printer paper, and travel. So I was making $500 take home per job. $500 for one day, 4 hours, considered part-time because I wasn't even working a full 8-hour day. 4 hours making $500, minimal effort, just posting locally, not having a Facebook page, not having a website, not having an official business, just posting it out there. $150 an hour to rent my photo booth. So I've since stopped that side hustle. I really just wanted to make my money back for the build, but right away I just started getting jobs. Honestly, more jobs than I wanted to do. So just imagine if you had 2 jobs per week, one on Friday, one on Saturday. That'd be $1,000 per week, $4,000 a month, working 32 hours per month. That's not even a full 40-hour work week. You'd be making $4,000. So this is real stuff, not creating a website, not drop shipping, not easy money, real world, tangible side hustles. So I hope this information could help you out. Even if you don't decide to go with this side hustle, consider some type of rental business because that's where it's at right now. You can get in pretty low as far as investment and just have that money keep coming back to you tenfold. Then at the end of that product's life, after you milked it for all it's worth, you can sell it, and that's icing on the cake. So I want to thank you for watching, subscribe, and get notified. Check you on the next one.